Hey everyone, Ben here and welcome to Motivation to Invest. How do you find high growth penny stocks? That is a question I get so much on this channel. So in this video, I'm going to reveal that to you guys, and also a stock I've recently discovered which could be a major high growth play. And this stock could have the potential to easily 5 to 10x, but also as a major risk, guys, the company could also go bankrupt as it's a very tiny small company. So it's a high risk, high reward play, but I'm going to reveal it to you guys because I know you guys love penny stocks. So I'm going to just put it out there for you guys. I don't care. I'm not going to be one of those channels which just covers Apple every week because I just think that's completely ridiculous. It's a great company, but there are so many other stocks out there in the stock universe, and that's what I'm going to reveal to you guys in this video. So if you haven't joined the investing family yet and you do like this stock analysis and stock research, feel free to join by hitting that subscribe button, turning that notification bell on. And also, if you do appreciate all the research which has gone into this video, guys, a lot of research, feel free to give it an early thumbs up. That helps out tremendously with the channel. And remember, guys, if you do want all my real-time stock picks, stock analysis, and also access my entire stock research platform, check out that first link in the description below for our ultimate investing strategy course or our thriving VIP membership community. And with that being said, let's dive in. Why are penny stocks, why are small cap stocks so special? Well, it's not because I'm a crazy trader. I'm actually a very long-term value with a growth twist investor. The real reason I look for small cap stocks is these big hedge funds, these big institutions just rarely can't actually invest into these small companies because they end up buying the whole company. And this leaves a potential opportunity for retail investors such as you, such as me, to actually give ourselves an information edge over Wall Street and potentially find great deals. Now, diving into the small cap space, there are a lot more risks. You need to do a lot more research. The stocks are a lot more volatile, but the reward potential is also a lot higher. So it is really a high risk, high reward play. So I would diversify any investment personally in the small cap space. And like all my videos, guys, this is not financial advice. Hopping in right here, guys, I'm on a platform called Stockopedia. Now, this is a platform, if you guys watch this channel regularly, you'll know I use this quite a lot to actually screen stocks and analyze stocks. So basically, this is the criteria I'm going to reveal to you guys of what I use when I'm screening stocks to identify these high growth small cap stocks, which can potentially 10x. Hopping in right here, guys, then on Stockopedia. So here's some criteria I use when I'm screening stocks. So I'm looking for sales growth of greater than 50%. Generally, I say a growth stock is one growing at least 20% per year. But honestly, for a small cap stock, for a penny stock, I want to be seeing at least 50% on that sales growth. I want to be looking for this high growth company. I'm also looking mainly in the US. You can look abroad, you can look internationally also. But I know the US is a very trustworthy market. The market cap I'm looking at, this is the key factor. I'm looking at companies that are less than $500 million. And what I do is I reverse this here. So I'm looking at the tiniest, smallest companies first. So these are companies with market caps of around $1 million, $2 million, $20 million, $30 million. So very small companies. What industry do I look for when I'm looking at these small cap stocks? Well, I'm looking for the best industry in the world, and that is software and IT services, because software companies tend to have what's called high operating leverage. So once a company has built a platform, let's say it's a website, let's say it's a mobile app, then for that to scale to millions of users, thousands of users, it's a lot easier. They don't have to build multiple factories. They don't have to hire a lot more people, and they can scale a lot easier. And this means software companies are the companies I like to look for high growth stocks. Hopping in right here then, guys, there's plenty of companies which I can see right here. And what I've done really is I've ignored any company which is out of my circle of competence. So certain companies, let's say a few biotech companies which are not really in my space, I've ignored them, but I've had a look through all these companies, and one has caught my eye. And before I reveal that, guys, if you do want to check out this platform as well, there's a 25% discount link below. I'll leave a link for that in the description below for you guys to check out if you do want to check out this platform and get that 25% discount. But let's dive into this company which I've identified. And there's also a connection with the film called The Pursuit of Happiness, which I'm going to reveal to you guys a little bit later in this video, so be sure to stick around for that. Okay, hopping into the share price. This company is called Verify Me on the NASDAQ stock exchange with the ticker symbol VRME. The company has a market cap of just $28 million. So this is a tiny, tiny micro cap company, a penny stock, true penny stock. Hopping in right here to the share price. The interesting thing with this company is it's an extremely established company. This company was founded back in 1999. And my guess is this company got caught in the dot-com bubble. Because in 1999, this stock was over $2,000 per share. And since then, it's just been falling. And now it's a much, much smaller company. Perhaps they've got rid of some parts of the business. Perhaps they've focused a lot more. But it's a tiny company. I'm assuming this company is extremely different to what it was back in the early 2000s. But if we dive into more recent times, so if we dive into the 5-year chart, we can see this stock has been an extreme roller coaster ride. And this is what you get with penny stocks. So it was up 300% one year. Then it was down 87%. Then it was up 400%. So you get a 4-bagger, you get a 3-bagger, and then if you keep holding the stock, you lose all your money. This is what it's like with these penny stocks. So personally, if I got a 4-bagger on a stock like this, which I've done previously, I'd trim my position or at least sell out my initial investment and then check the technicals in order to carry on the investment if the company's fundamentals and technicals are both looking in the right direction. What does this company actually do? So this company, basically, it creates what's called a verification system for multiple products. So counterfeiting is, I believe, a $1 trillion industry, and it's extremely important industry to a variety of brands. You may have seen these with Apple AirPods. So when Apple AirPods first came out, there were so many counterfeits for sale on places like Craigslist and also places like Facebook Marketplace. But this is the key factor which makes it difficult to protect against. These counterfeit products also have the real barcode from the genuine product. So if you actually decide to check the barcode number on apple.com for these fake AirPods, you'll actually discover that it's a genuine product according to the barcode. Because what these counterfeiters do, they're very sophisticated now, is basically they just copy the barcode, all the details, or they actually go into the real Apple store and write down the barcode numbers of real products. Now, this is crazy information which I recently discovered. This company, Verify Me, is helping companies to protect against that. And what they basically use is invisible ink technology to create an invisible barcode in order to verify a product via their mobile app. So this is their technology. It's called Rainbow Secure technology, and this is a patented technology. So that's a competitive advantage for this company. They have around 11 US and European patents, which is great to see. It means any old company can't just copy exactly what this company is doing. They also have the VeriPass serialization system and the Verify Me authentic labels. So not only can a company actually do track and trace on their products throughout the supply chain. Let's say a product is manufactured in China or India and it's shipped halfway around the world, and then it goes into a distribution center, then it goes into trucking, and it changes hands multiple times. There are many opportunities for that product to actually get lost, to actually be counterfeited, to actually be swapped with a fake product. And this is actually vital in areas such as healthcare medicine. Okay, so what about the management of this company? Who is running this company? Who is the captain of the ship? Well, the captain of the ship here, we've got Patrick White. He's an extremely experienced CEO, and he has 25 years experience in security printing and the identification industry. And he founded a previous company called Document Security Systems, DSS. He was also a member of the US Secret Services, and he's the named inventor of 4 US patents in security printing. So there can't be anyone better really for the job than this guy. So that's what I like to see there. And this is what I want to bring to you guys, the Will Smith connection. So if you've ever seen the film The Pursuit of Happiness, you'll know we followed the story of a guy named Chris Gardner. And this right here, guys, is the real Chris Gardner. So the Pursuit of Happiness film was based upon Chris Gardner's life. So he's an American entrepreneur and private equity investor, an international best-selling author. He's a motivational speaker. He's worth approximately $70 million, and he's an award-winning film producer of The Pursuit of Happiness. Okay, so what about those juicy financials and the valuation for this company? Well, hopping right in here again, guys, I'll show you briefly on Stockopedia. So the company, this is a risk with the company. So the company's revenue is tiny. For example, my net worth is probably more than this company actually earns in revenue. The company's revenue is around $400,000, $300,000 to $400,000 per year, which really is not a lot for a $20 million market cap company, guys. Looking backwards, the valuation looks extremely high. And also the company's unprofitable, so they're burning around $4 to $6 million per year. So that is a risk with the company. It's a major red flag we need to highlight straight off the bat. The good news is this company grew the last period. It's 100%. So 100% revenue growth, fantastic revenue growth. Also, the company has an extremely strong balance sheet. So if we hop in right here, guys, the company has approximately $15.4 million in cash on a $20 million market cap company. So really, the company has nearly as much cash as the valuation of the company, which is great to see. And if we hop in, I get a valuation for this company of approximately where it is right now. So approximately $3 per share is where the stock is right now, and that's the valuation I get right now. If anything, I get it a little bit lower than what the stock's currently trading at right now. So to me, the stock's looking a little bit overvalued from that valuation. Also, the major difficult challenge with this company, which is more part of the business model, is I imagine this company will have an extremely long sales cycle. So this is the type of company, they'll have zero sales, and then they might win a major contract. If you can actually spot information early, let's say this company just won a big contract and the financials haven't been released yet, then you know, okay, that's a good time to invest. Or if you check out the SEC filings and you see insiders buying, then you know that could be a good time to invest. So I'm looking for one or two signals at the moment. And to me, then that could be a good opportunity to invest into this penny stock. But I'd love to hear your thoughts, guys. And remember, guys, if you want to access my buys, my sells, and much, much more, second link in the description below for VIP membership group. First link for our investing strategy course. If you do want to step up your investing game and become financially free in your life. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all have an incredible day, and I'll see you in my next video. Invest safe.